I'm walking towards the bus stop, and there you go. What are these? These are actually parrots. I thought those are pigeons, but no. That is interesting. Just casually hanging here. Okay, gotta go. That's what I see. Absolutely beautiful weather. Absolutely beautiful weather. Australia is better. Australia is better. I guess that's how they speak here. Kind of funny. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. Beautiful day, beautiful weather, and strange noise from out there. Oh, I guess those are those parrots that make all that noise. Roundabouts, so that nobody making any noise with their engines. Okay.